We don't always need bulky gear bags with endless pockets and loud designs. What we need is something smart, simple, and easy to carry. In this video, we're checking out 7 minimalist camera bags built for essentials. Nothing more, nothing less. One of them even comes from a collab with McKinnon, so the design was shaped by someone who knows the struggle and search for convenience. These bags keep your kit tight, your look clean, and your workflow smooth. If you're into sleek designs, lightweight builds, and just enough storage to stay ready, these bags are worth a closer look. For small, easy camera carry, this Peak Design Sling handles light setups well. When you don't need the full setup, just your main gear and you're out the door. 2 sizes available. The 3-litre fits a mirrorless and a lens, nothing more. The 6-litre gives you room for a DSLR, maybe an extra lens or a few little things. It's compact, but doesn't feel tight. What's nice is how it wears. Strap goes across your chest, and there's a little adjuster on it. You pull to tighten when you're moving, loosen it when you need to grab something. Super simple, but once you've used it, you kind of don't want to go back. Inside, those foldable dividers make everything stay in place. You can shift them around, fit your setup just right. And if you go with the 6-litre, there's a tablet sleeve too. Good for quick edits or just carrying your everyday stuff. Outside's weatherproof, made from recycled materials, holds up in a bit of rain, and it doesn't scream camera bag, which is nice. Feels clean, easy, and kind of disappears when you're wearing it. And honestly, that's what you want most days. Now, if the Peak design felt a little too refined and you want something with a bit more edge and utility, this one's got that feel. The Nomatic McKinnon Sling 5-litre is built for quick moves and light setups, and with McKinnon behind the design, you know it's made with creators in mind. Holds just what you need. A camera body, a lens, and a few essentials. That's it. The top opens fast with one hand. Thanks to this wired frame, it stays propped open so you can see everything clearly without digging around. Inside, it's organized without being overdone. There are slots for SD cards, a couple of stretch pockets, battery holders, and one adjustable divider to shape the space how you need it. On the outside, you've got lash points to strap on extras like a small tripod, and a side release buckle on the strap so you can throw it on or off easily. Feels tough, stays compact, and doesn't look flashy. You can wear it crossbody or even around your waist if you're going super minimal. It's one of those bags that just works when you want to stay light and move quick. Moving on to organization solutions, the K and F Concept Alpha 10-litre takes a different approach compared to the full-size camera bags we've seen. While those handle your main gear, this compact organizer tackles the accessory chaos with 23 intelligently designed compartments for batteries, cables, and memory cards. Unlike bulkier options, it stands upright when open and fits easily into your existing backpack or suitcase. The water-resistant fabric provides decent protection, though it's not as rugged as some dedicated camera bags we've covered. What makes it stand out is how it solves a specific problem, keeping small essentials accessible without adding much bulk to your setup. It's not for everyone, but for photographers tired of digging through a jumble of accessories, it's a thoughtful addition to their kit, especially when paired with one of the larger carry options we've discussed. Now let's look at a bag that takes a completely different approach, the YNOT Pixel Camera Bag. It looks like a regular sling bag, but secretly fits a mirrorless camera inside. The waxed canvas or cordura fabric gives it this nice low-key vibe that won't attract attention, and the strap system is rock solid. Once adjusted, it stays put whether you're wearing it crossbody or on one shoulder. But that stealthy design comes with compromises. The single compartment means you're fully opening the bag every time you need something. No quick grab pockets here. While the padded insert neatly fits a camera and lens, the 3-litre capacity leaves no room for extras unless you pack minimally. Where this makes sense is for urban shooters who value discretion above all else. If you typically work with one camera and lens combo and hate looking like you are carrying camera and stuffs, it's a stylish solution. Just know you're trading some practicality for that incognito look. Okay, Let's take a look at the Billingham Hadley Small Pro. It brings together classic British craftsmanship and practical camera protection. That signature waxed canvas exterior with leather trim immediately signals quality, while the 5-litre capacity offers just the right amount of space for a mirrorless setup with 2 to 3 lenses. Notice how the quick-release flap provides fast access to your gear. Just lift and go. The front pockets are perfectly sized for essentials like batteries and filters, keeping them separate from your main kit. The removable padded insert is where the magic happens. Dense foam protects your camera and lenses, while the adjustable dividers help organize everything neatly. Carry options are flexible too. Use the comfortable shoulder strap for all-day wear, or grab the top handle when you're moving quickly. And that luggage trolley strap makes airport travel completely hassle-free. From the solid brass hardware to the weatherproof construction, every detail is designed to last. Next, Tenba Axis V2, a tactical camera bag built for photographers who need versatile gear access. The expandable main compartment adapts as you shoot, fitting everything from a mirrorless camera with 24 to 70mm lens to an extended 70 to 200mm setup when unzipped. Drone operators will appreciate the perfect DJI Mavic fit. And yeah, all this webbing, that's MOLLE for attaching whatever. Clip on Tenba's lens capsules to double your capacity or add military-style pouches. The reflective threads keep you visible at night without ruining the stealth look. Smart touches include a hidden AirTag pocket in the zippered compartment, because gear security matters. The lid swings open cleanly for access, while stretch side pockets hold filters and small essentials. Carry it 3 ways: shoulder strap, backpack attachment, or belt mounted for active shooting. Built tough with weather-resistant fabrics, it includes a reversible rain cover. From the reinforced stitching to the modular design, every detail serves photographers who adapt on the fly. Start lean, then expand with MOLLE attachments as your shoot demands. Photographers who travel light but need quick access, this Hex Ranger Sling packs clever storage into a compact form. That 8-litre main compartment surprises you, fitting anything from mirrorless kits to full DSLRs with attached lenses. The secret? Adjustable dividers that collapse completely, letting the bag fold nearly flat when not in use. Smart touches stand out everywhere. That faux fur-lined pocket isn't just for show. It protects sunglasses or phone screens from scratches. 2 hidden strap pockets stash memory cards or cash discreetly. Need to carry a jacket or small tripod? The bottom straps handle it without adding bulk. Premium Cordura fabric and YKK zippers promise durability. Updated padding makes all-day wear comfortable. And the blackout camo isn't just stylish, it's treated to resist bacteria and odors. Whether you're street shooting or traveling, this sling keeps essentials secure yet accessible. The balanced design protects gear without unnecessary weight, proving good things come in small packages. Now that you've seen these minimalist camera bags, which one caught your eye? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest gear reviews.